Can I go through your Instagram Explore page? How do you guys feel about polyamory?
You know, I once worked with Gordon Ramsay.
Wow, you're like speaking my language.
Oh, I'm glad.
Talk pastry to me. I have a degree in nutrition, so.
I want about 4 kids.
I am so impressed. What size ring do you wear?
I don't know. I've never gotten my ring size.
This is so hard. Okay.
They say that the stomach is the way to one's heart. Tasty is putting that theory to the test. 3 mystery guys will cook behind a curtain for a single lady, judging them on their cooking skills and vibes. She'll choose 2 to keep around and send 1 home with the dreaded to-go box. The final 2 dishes will then face off in a taste test showdown, where a second cook will be eliminated. Finally, she'll meet the last man standing. Will she give them the final fork, or will it be breakfast for 1? This is Date the Dish, where love's on the menu, but not everyone's getting served.
Hi, my name is Tiffany, and LA is rough for dating, and so I'm excited to have someone cook their way into my heart. I'm looking for someone that is a good co-parent. I want kids, and I want to make sure that the person that I'm having kids with is going to be kind and compassionate.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
Hi.
My name's Tiffany.
My name's Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing? What's your name?
I'm Tiffany.
Tiffany.
What's your
Ethan,
name?
nice to meet you.
Hey, you.
Hello, Joe Goldberg.
Who's that?
From You, the show on Netflix.
Oh.
He starts like every episode, he's like, hello, you.
Got it. Okay. I don't watch a lot of Netflix, that's why. I don't watch a lot of
okay.
TV at all.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Love that. Love Texas.
And you?
Yeehaw. I was born in New York, but I was raised in Jamaica. I've been in LA for 4 years now.
Oh, that's cool. What brought you here?
My ex.
Oh.
It's rough, I know.
It's not rough, it's destiny.
Yeah, exactly. What are you making today?
A tortilla de huevo. It's something my mom used to make me. Hopefully you like it.
That's so sweet. Did your mom teach you how to cook?
Yeah, I learned a lot from my mom and my dad. My dad's a chef.
Ooh, my mom's a pastry chef.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look
Perfect.
at us.
I'm making breakfast burritos.
Is that your specialty, your go-to?
Yeah, it's one of them ones, you know what I'm saying? It's one of them ones that gets them going.
Okay.
No, I didn't mean,
All
not like
right.
that. It's a good meal.
Today I am making the golden funnel cake chai apple waffle.
You're like speaking my language.
Oh, I'm glad.
Talk pastry to me.
Gotta get this started. Let me season it a little bit. I usually use just salt, garlic, pepper.
How often do you make this?
Not too often, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm like, it's kind of a labor of love a little bit.
Well, so I make waffles every day at home.
Every day.
Every day. Mine have a little bit more protein in them. I'm a swimmer, so this waffle is a bit of a mixture of like, a regular classic waffle, but there's some healthy things in it like chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds.
You know, you're speaking my language right now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have a degree in nutrition, so.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you're gonna love this.
Yeah, I already love this. He knows what he's doing.
Oh, yeah.
You like breakfast burritos?
You know, they're not my favorites.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, but I don't hate them. I have a degree in nutrition, so.
Okay.
So I'm really judging you on how you're.
I was gonna say, yeah,
you're making that
you
sausage.
sound like the type.
Later on in my life, I went vegan, so you have to kind of like, oh, you're vegan?
Well, not anymore, but
Okay.
I went vegan.
So now I'm gonna add the butter and put it around the pan.
Sausage is done. Time to get these potatoes.
So I've just made the dry mixture right now. I like to make sure we get all those micronutrients, in there. So we're gonna get the wet mixture
God, you're
together
speaking just
in another bowl
so
right
perfectly
now.
right now.
I wanna nourish your taste buds and nourish your body too, you know what I'm saying? We gotta make sure we're covering all the bases here.
I noticed you didn't use any spices with the meat, and I wanted to give you some grace and let you cook.
Oh,
Can
yeah?
you tell me about the bag of spices.
This bag of spices that I have here, it's ancestral actually.
Oh, okay.
It's been moved down in my family for generations, and I decided to bring it out today. But the reason why I didn't add it to the meat is because I was gonna add it later.
Oh.
Look at that, timing.
My friends cook for me very often. Also, I've been lucky enough to have some suitors cook for me as well.
Oh, dang.
Only the brave ones, because I'm very vocal about being a food snob.
Oh.
So let's play a game, a dish or dare. I'll ask you a question and you can either choose to dish out on an answer or eat a punishment instead.
Eat a punishment. So y'all have like nasty food for me to eat?
Yep.
I can't even get that sentence out. Let's do it.
Alrighty, can I go through your Instagram Explore page?
Yeah, I don't care.
Let's see it. Oh, you've got a privacy screen?
That doesn't mean anything though.
Yeah,
The reason,
sure?
No, let me tell you the story of that.
Okay.
I went to go get my screen replaced, and when I went, they didn't have any more of the regular ones. So they just upgraded me to a privacy one, and ever since then, I just kept it.
Sus.
That's the honest truth. It's the real truth.
It's pretty wholesome. We've got a pregnant lady rubbing her tummy. Is that a baby cow? It's a baby cow! Okay, and a carrot. What is that? I don't know what that is.
I don't know. I don't know.
It's not explicit.
Okay.
It's just kind of weird. Here's what I'm getting from you. You may want to be a parent.
It shows I'm not a perv.
Yeah,
It's
I
not,
mean,
you know.
honestly, sometimes I open up an Explore page and I'm like, boobs.
Yeah,
booby.
no.
This is real nice. Very, very tame, very demure, very mindful,
Yeah.
and very cute.
Yeah.
Right? I'll give you your phone back.
Thank you.
What are your favorite genres of food?
I love Asian food.
So do you like ramen?
Do like ramen, but not like top ramen.
So we got some fresh apple juice, some agave, sea moss. So a lot of people don't really know about it, but it also increases the nutrient profile of the dish and acts as an egg/gel substitute as well.
I'm adding bacon bits to the tortilla. The peppers and the onions were already sauteing for a little bit.
Boom. Next, we get into these eggs.
I am disappointed that you didn't season the meat stuff.
The
but
thing,
we'll
is-
see.
the whole dish is gonna be jam-packed full of flavor, so you don't even gotta worry about that.
I like the finesse.
Yeah.
Then we have our chai mixture. So this is actually a mixture of like Miyoko's butter and coconut oil. So you wanna ideally bloom it for a little bit to bring out the flavors in the chai. We're gonna get some pureed apple juice.
This is really hot. I'm like, wow.
You know, I once worked with Gordon Ramsay.
Real? Are you lying?
It was a commercial, but
Are you familiar with Saw?
Yes.
Let's play a game. Let's get to know each other better with a game of refrigerators. Tasty asked you to snap a pic of your fridge ahead of time. Now it's time for me to take a look and see what it says about you.
Okay. Swipe right.
Privacy screen. Interesting. Cute picture of your family.
I'm close to my family, so
Oh, that's a good sign. And have a good day. Who's that note from?
I wrote it there. Just
Okay,
to remind myself to have a
alrighty.
good day.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's packed. Love that. Okay. Oh, you cook a lot.
I do like
You
it.
cook a lot. You know, very balanced. The only thing I'm gonna roast you on a little bit is I'm not loving the condiments not in the door. I don't know what it is about, like,
There wasn't
having.
enough space.
I know, but you gotta like maybe reorganize some things.
I don't want to do this. If I mess it up, it turns into an omelet. I may do the plate technique, bada bing, bada boom, and then it's all good. Let's see if I can do it.
Yes, you got this. Amazing.
so boom, we're gonna add this to here.
What was the first thing you learned how to cook?
Ooh, dang. It's a hometown favorite. It's called Top Ramen.
Do like ramen, but not like top ramen. Delicacy.
Yeah. What's your favorite flavor?
I haven't had top ramen in a really, really long time, like
Yeah.
since college. No judgment though.
Yeah, no, please don't judge me.
All right, so we have the wet mixture and we have the dry mixture. We're gonna go ahead and put those together. When you mix it all together, you wanna let it sit for about 10 minutes. You know, the difference, so there's oat flour and regular flour in here, and usually oat flour tends to absorb moisture and expand along with the chia seeds and hemp seeds. That we gotta spray this with the avocado oil. Go ahead and get a nice spoonful of that and put it in there.
I am gonna grab some cheese here and melt it.
I'm lactose intolerant.
Okay, well,
I'm kidding.
you would say, yeah, I'm like, you would say that as you see me grabbing the cheese. Well, you can't see me, but as I illustrate what I'll be doing.
Richard, would you like to be a parent one day?
Hell yeah, I wanna have a big family. I want about 4 kids. Maybe not 4, but like at least 3.
In this economy?
So I'm on my way to stardom, you know.
Oh, okay. We could start with
A guarantee of 2. I don't wanna have an only child.
a dowry.
Sure, but you can't worry about that first.
I pride myself on being the mom with like the cool jobs, just like really prepping myself for motherhood, you know? We'll have to talk a little bit more
yeah.
about the actual number.
We'll talk about it.
We can negotiate.
Okay.
Are you the peel deal? I'll
right.
hand you a fruit and a tool, and your challenge is to figure out the smartest way to peel it.
Okay. Oh, a kiwi. All right, here we go. One of the most difficult fruits to peel. So we have a spoon. We don't have an actual peeler, so I'm gonna go ahead and guess. We're gonna have to wedge this spoon in between the skin, bring it all the way around town, as a man named SpongeBob once said.
Bring it around town.
Bring it around town.
I am so impressed. What size ring do you wear?
I don't know. I've never gotten my ring sized, actually.
That's a good sign. He's marriage material.
I think it's very flattering. You know, I'd love to get to know you and see if we could figure something out. You have a really beautiful voice, and I'd love to get to know
Oh,
you.
thank you.
So usually when the steam is done coming out of the waffle maker, the waffle is done. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out, see what we got going on.
So Tiffany, Richard, first impressions?
She cool, she cool.
I am.
Yeah, what you got to say about your boy?
Not seasoning the meat was a big thing for me.
But wait, look at all this flavor I'm putting into it.
But it does look really, really good.
Look, and it's just gonna get better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna plate it for you. I'll try to make it prettier than it looks right now.
First impressions, you are incredibly thoughtful to make something that holds such a warm space for essentially a stranger. That's so kind of you.
You are welcome. Hopefully you like it. So the salsa, I normally use bell pepper, onion, and minced garlic. Oh, and tomato sauce. And blend them together.
I want someone to look at me the way that I'm looking at that plate.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
Move the curtain. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Now we get to do the fun stuff, which is the topping. You know, this puts the funnel cake in the title. We got some beautifully caramelized / candied apples. You can go ahead and put them on top.
First impressions, very genuine and hardworking, because this is like a lot. This is a lot to put into like one meal, and you do this every morning?
Every morning. I'm really excited to see what she looks like. I just love her voice, and I love that she appreciates, you know, the amount of time and care I put into making this meal. So that's always a good green flag.
Sour cream?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sour cream was actually sourced from cows that my family have in Nigeria.
Oh my gosh, I had a pet goat when I was younger.
Okay. What happened to the pet goat?
It was dinner.
Okay, well, she's a...
I will use 2 bacon strips to do a little cross here.
And then we got our house-made apple syrup. You usually take the juice from the candied apples and add some cinnamon, some lemon juice, some agave.
So you made that syrup?
Yes.
That's hot.
Now let me know when you'd like me to stop. I don't want to flood your waffles, and everybody likes them different.
Keep going, keep going. Nice and slow.
Wow.
That's amazing. Oh, nice rolling.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Hey! There we go. Right
That
there,
was a beautiful cut.
Wait for it.
Beautiful cut.
The microwave deluxe here.
Add some chives to the top. Finish off with some microgreens here. And there you go.
That looks
There we
amazing.
go. And we got the full product right here.
So Tiffany, what do you think? Are you gonna use your to-go box?
I'm gonna keep them around.
Wow.
I think we're gonna keep it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, and I love my sweets.
Tiffany, you did not use your to-go box option, but you can only try 2 for the taste test. Which one is gonna go home?
Everything looks really, really good, but I just can't stop thinking about the fact that Richard didn't season the sausage.
Okay.
So I think Matt and Ethan have to stay and Richard has to go.
You're gonna meet Richard, so you can say goodbye.
Alrighty. Hello, nice
No,
to meet you.
you didn't want me.
We're matching.
No.
I'm
Hi.
so sorry.
It's fine.
It's because you didn't season the sausage.
Sausage comes seasoned already.
I learned that after
Yep.
But then also, you could have like grilled the burrito after you put it together.
We talked about that afterwards.
Yeah,
It's-
it was a
it's-
flaccid burrito. I'd say you're my type.
Yeah, she's my type. But yeah. She don't like my food, but that's cool.
What can I say? I'm an honest gal. Thank you for all your great banter. I appreciate you.
Tall. You look shorter sitting down.
Oh, thank you.
Where's my burrito? I'm hungry. Can I have it actually?
I'm so excited to try these. I've been salivating. I'm gonna start with the savory.
As you try Matt's dish, do you have any questions for him?
Same side of the booth or opposite sides of the booth if you're at dinner.
How many dates have we done already?
It's like the second date.
I think I would still try to take it a little bit slower as I'm still getting to know you.
I can hear your words because this is amazing. I'm experiencing like sensory overload right now. This is a banger. I'm not trying to gas you up.
Yeah, don't gas
Matt,
me.
I'm not trying to gas
Be
you
real.
up. I'd pay for this.
Whoa.
And I'd make you tiny and lock you up in my kitchen.
Dang.
And force you to make this for me every single morning. Do I get to finish it? I'm so excited about this one. Oh my gosh. I love a sweet breakfast. Everything except for the whipped cream is from scratch. That makes my heart warm. I'm locking you both up, sorry. How do you guys feel about polyamory? Wow.
We can make it work. He'll get the night shift. I'll get the day shift.
This is really good. Oh my gosh.
Unfortunately, you can't leave with the 2 dishes or the 2 guys. Who is it gonna be?
This is so hard. Who planned this? I have words for you. Okay.
You've chosen to eliminate Ethan.
Yeah,
Are you ready to see the man behind the dish?
I am. Oh
Hi. 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 Nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you. It was really, really, really good.
It's okay, you know?
Yeah.
In the words of Future Hendrix, different strokes for different folks.
Different folks. It was a great stroke. You know, I wouldn't have made it any different. I want to finish this one more than I want to finish this one at this moment.
It's so good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Tiffany, are you ready for your final pick?
I am, very much so.
All right.
Hello,
Hi. Hello.
I am in love with this dish.
I'm glad.
I'm locking you in my kitchen.
Okay, cool. I'm glad you liked it.
It was really, really good. Yeah, would you accept this fork from me? I don't know if I should get down on one knee or maybe feed you it.
Let me taste my own dish.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, all right. So intimate,
That's pretty good.
right? It is.
Yeah.
Not me saying this like you've never tried it before. It's so good. It's
That's
so
good.
good. I'm like, I'm locking you away.
Okay.
Can I give you a hug?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. It was an honor.
Really good.
You know?
Also, you smell great.
Thank you.
And I love your glasses.
Oh, the Harry Potter things?
Yeah, nice, real nice.